Good day, everyone. It's an honor to participate in HIV and hepatitis meeting today. I'm pleased to return to Barcelona for the second time, and it's very nice to be part of such excellent event. In my presentation, I will discuss the emergence of novel HIV-1 A6B recombinants identified in Poland. In Poland, the number of HIV diagnoses remained relatively stable at around 1,200 cases per year until 2019. In 2022, following the outbreak of war in Ukraine, an unexpected surge was recorded with around 1,000 more cases than the average. A further increase followed in 2023. The rise in diagnosis likely reflects an increase in migration from Eastern Europe. According to ECDC data, the post-2022 migration wave from Central and Eastern Europe contributed to a higher number of individuals being diagnosed with HIV in Poland. In parallel, the growth of large national MSM clusters has also contributed to the rising incidence of A6 subtype infections. We investigated the emergence of new A6B recombinants in Poland using molecular epidemiology methods. The analysis included 7,597 proteases and reverse transcriptase sequences collected between 1997 and 2023. We performed subtyping, cluster identification, and recombination analysis. By the end of 2023, A6B recombinants represent 1.8% of analyzed sequences. It is essential to note that this analysis was based only on a fragment of the Pol gene. Therefore, additional breakpoints may exist in other regions of the HIV genome. The co-circulation of two predominant subtypes in the country creates favorable conditions for emergence and accumulation of new A6B recombinant forms. The detection rate of A6B recombinants within only the protease and reverse transcriptase regions in Poland has increased more than twofold, rising from 0.58% in 2011 to 1.29% in 2023. A6B sequences were identified in 11 out of 16 administrative regions, with more than half originating from the Masovian. Among the 138 A6B sequences identified in Poland, we detected 20 transmission clusters, ranging in size from 2 to 11 sequences, as well 51 singletons. 12 clusters consisted exclusively of male individuals, 1 cluster included only females cases, and 7 were mixed gender. The slides presents a maximum likelihood tree of all identified A6B sequences in the context of Polish reference sequences representing subtype B and subtype A6. 3 sequences, each originating from different clusters, have been highlighted. For these selected cases, near full-length genome sequencing was performed. All 3 sequences exhibit distinct breakpoint patterns, confirming that at least 3 clusters represent unique recombinant forms observed among epidemiologically unlinked individuals. In 2 of these cases, recombination breakpoints were located within the integrase gene. Among the 138 A6B recombinants identified in the protease and reverse transcriptase regions, integrase sequences were available for 16 cases. 4 display a breakpoint within integrase gene, 10 were classified as subtype A6, 2 were classified as subtype B. The first A6B recombinant case was identified in 2001. Over the following years, new transmission clusters emerged, some of which remain active. Notably, nearly 1/4 of all cases were identified after 2022. The widespread circulation of A6B mosaic forms across Poland highlights the dynamic evolution of HIV in the country. The identification of distinct A6B recombinants suggests that multiple independent recombinant events have occurred. Integrase-specific and whole genome sequencing are essential for clinical decision-making and monitoring HIV-1 diversity. For those interested, please stop by poster number 12. It stands out as the only horizontal poster. I want to express my gratitude to all my fellow researchers, especially to Miłosz, my mentor. Finally, I'm grateful for the opportunity to share my results. Thank you.